Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear students, welcome. Our lesson today about real function, the domain. The third function is radical functions. Radical function in the form f of x equals square root b of x, where b of x is a polynomial function. It must be b of x greater than or equal 0 to find the domain of f of x. For example, if f of x equals square root 2x, we take 2x greater than or equal 0, so divide by 2, we get x greater than 0, so x belongs from 0 to infinity, or R asteroid union 0. R positive union 0. And the domain هو 0 to infinity. Number 2, if f of x equal root negative x, we take negative x greater than or equal 0, divide by negative both sides, it will be x smaller than or equal 0. Then x belongs from negative infinity to 0 closed, or R negative union 0. Its domain negative infinity to 0. Another example, if f of x equal root x minus 1, we take x minus 1 greater than or equal 0, then x greater than or equal 1, then x belongs from 1 closed to infinity, and the graph on the number line represented it. Then the domain is 1 close to infinity. Another example, if f of x equal root 2x plus 4, we take 2x plus 4 greater than or equal 0, then 2x greater than or equal negative 4, divide by 2 both sides, we get x greater than or equal negative 2, so x belongs from negative 2 closed to infinity, and the domain is negative 2 close to infinity. Another one, if f of x equal root 3 minus x, we get 3 minus x greater than or equal 0, get 3 another side, on the other side, we get negative x greater than or equal negative 3, divide by negative both sides, we get x smaller than or equal 3, then x belongs from negative infinity to 3 closed. Then the domain is negative infinity open to 3 closed. Another example, if g of x equal 1 over root x, here we get x under the roof, it must be greater than 0 only, not equal, because any number divided 0 has no meaning. So we get x greater than 0 only. Then x belongs from 0 open to infinity. That means R positive. And the domain equal 0 open to infinity. Another example, if g of x equal 1 over root negative x, so we get negative x greater than 0, divide by negative both sides, we get x smaller than 0. So x belong from negative infinity to 0 open. That's mean R negative. Then the domain is negative infinity to 0 open. Another example. If g of x equal 1 over root x minus 1, taking x minus 1 greater than 0, so x greater than 1, so x belongs from 1 open to infinity, and the domain, it will be 1 open to infinity. Another example. If g of x equal 1 over root 3 minus x, we get 3 minus x greater than 0. Taking 3 to other side, we get negative x greater than negative 3. Divided by negative both sides, we get x smaller than 3. So x belongs from negative infinity open to 3 open. Open because there is no equal. So the domain, it will be negative infinity open to 3 open. Another example, if h of x equal root 2x power 2, we will taking 2x power 2 greater than 0, dividing by 2 both sides, we get x power 2 greater than 0. For every x belong to R, then x belong to R, and the domain is R. If h of x equal root x power 2 plus 1, taking x power 2 plus 1 greater than 0, so x power 2 greater than negative 1. X power 2 is greater than negative 1. And this statement is not correct. So x greater than R, x belongs to R, where in the domain is R. Another example, if h of x equal root x minus 2 over root x plus 3. This example, we taking the domain of up and down, numerator and denominator, and we get the intersection domain of the two functions. First, x minus 2 greater than or equal 0, it will be from 2 to infinity. Second, x plus 3 greater than 0 only will be from negative 3 open to infinity. The intersection part from both sides will be 2 closed to infinity. Then the domain, it will be 2 closed to infinity. Another one, if h of x equal root x minus 2 over x plus 3. Here we get the domain is R minus, close the interval negative 3 to 2 open. Okay. Next, if k of x equals cubic root x minus 1. Cubic root to any expression, positive or negative, it will be defined. So the domain equals R. The domain equals R. Another example, if k of x equal 1 over cubic root x minus 1, we taking x minus 1 equals 0, so x equals 1. So the domain is R minus 1. اللي هو الزيروز of the denominator.